The journey of Gyr Bull hide processing begins long before the factory. Every Gyr Bull is managed through controlled livestock handling systems. Collection points prepare livestock for the next stage of the supply chain. Specialized transport equipment ensures efficient movement to the facility. Careful loading helps maintain consistency throughout the operation. The transport phase links rural collection zones to industrial processing centers. Large-scale logistics keep industrial supply chains moving. After transport, the animals arrive at a highly organized industrial complex. Arrival procedures focus on orderly livestock management. Before further processing stages, livestock pass through preparation and care facilities. Preparation begins with controlled feeding and observation.
Hydration supports livestock handling before facility preparation stages.
Observation helps maintain operational consistency. The next stage focuses on exterior cleaning. Industrial washing systems prepare livestock before processing operations. Every stage follows standardized facility procedures. Large-scale cleaning systems operate with precision.
The washing process concludes before transition into facility operations.
Preparation areas connect directly to the industrial complex. Beyond these doors, the industrial processing journey begins. A modern processing complex operates around the clock. Every stage follows a carefully organized sequence. Industrial scale demands precise coordination. The transformation begins with the arrival of raw material. Digital tracking supports process consistency. Classification determines the path through production. Continuous movement drives industrial efficiency. Preparation stages remove contaminants from the material. Careful inspection prepares the material for grading. The next stage determines how each hide will be processed. Grading determines the future path of every hide. Detailed evaluation supports consistent production standards. Technology assists in large-scale material classification. Classification helps optimize every downstream process. Additional cleaning prepares the material for treatment. Precision rinsing supports material consistency. Controlled moisture levels improve processing efficiency. Verification ensures alignment with production requirements. The workflow now advances toward transformation stages. Here, raw hides begin their industrial transformation. The transformation process begins inside industrial treatment systems. Every cycle is monitored with precision. Digital systems maintain consistent production standards.
Large-scale production depends on synchronized equipment.
Each completed stage leads directly into the next. Uniformity supports efficient downstream processing. Continuous inspection helps maintain quality. Material flow remains uninterrupted across the facility. The next phase shapes the final characteristics of the material.
Industrial transformation now moves into its most critical stage.
The material now enters the heart of industrial transformation.
Precision controls help maintain uniform production standards.
Continuous processing refines the material stage by stage. Controlled environments support reliable results. Drying systems operate on an industrial scale. Every stage is measured and monitored continuously. Inspection verifies readiness for finishing operations.
Accurate alignment improves production efficiency.
The material approaches its final industrial refinement. Automation increases consistency across industrial production.
Every piece of material generates valuable production data.
Data-driven systems optimize workflow efficiency. Automation ensures accurate placement before finishing. Industrial finishing systems operate without interruption. Measurement technology supports strict manufacturing standards.
Centralized monitoring coordinates the entire facility.
Efficient routing keeps production flowing continuously.
Synchronization transforms complexity into efficiency.
The final refinement stage now begins. Final refinement enhances consistency and presentation. Every detail is refined through controlled industrial processes.
Inspection remains essential even in highly automated production.
Material preparation advances toward final product dimensions. Technology improves accuracy while reducing waste. Organization prepares material for final evaluation. Automation maintains consistency at every stage.
Verification confirms readiness for quality assessment.
Prepared material advances toward final testing. The final examination stage now begins. Before shipment, every batch undergoes rigorous evaluation. Testing begins with carefully documented samples. Detailed examination verifies production consistency.
Advanced instruments support objective evaluation.
Every result contributes to final quality approval. Data analysis confirms manufacturing performance.
Only approved material advances to dispatch preparation. The final logistics phase is ready to begin.
Efficient warehousing supports continuous distribution. A production journey approaches its final destination.
Approved material now enters the final packaging stage.
Packaging protects material during storage and transport.
Every shipment remains traceable through digital records. Automation ensures consistent pallet formation.
Storage systems organize inventory for distribution.
Coordinated logistics prepare products for shipment. The final transfer stage is underway. Finished products are prepared for global distribution. The manufacturing journey reaches its destination.
And this is how modern factories produce Gyr Bull hide products from start to finish.